วันนี้กินข้าวซอยเผ็ด
Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we go to Audrey mom's home and I cook Thai food for her. This menu is Khao Soi, is Audrey's favorite dish. So we will check she like or not. But first we go shopping together. Let's go.
Ja,
This
ja. You want this too? Yeah, we can.
order nicht.
We can use this too for put inside the soup.
Ah, okay.
En de knochen. Ja. Stimmt, ja, ja. Einfach.
And now we buy milk too.
Yes. Jetzt Gericht anders.
How is different? This and this.
This is with vegetable inside and this is with herbs
I
inside.
think last time we have this one.
Wirklich?
Yeah,
Well, then we
Here.
tried it.
yeah. It's lecker.
Tagliatelle. Hä?
What do you think?
Diese.
Okay, yeah, we can
Good.
use this.
Oder die.
I think this one is same or not?
Ja, ja.
Kaput. We feel costed. Ah,
Ja.
ready. Achtung! So, that is our car.
Really?
Yeah, we ready to cook at home Thai food today. The first time Thai food for Swiss mom. We begin to cook Khao Soi for Swiss mommy. Oil. I will put more oil a little bit.
Guy.
Yeah. Here.
Now we put the guy inside.
Chicken.
Smell. The smell.
Here. Beef. Coconut milk. I cook Khao Soi and I'm excited and Audrey helped me for cook too. So mom say that smell is very good. Yeah, and she never smelled this curry before. So this is Khao Soi and we will see how she feels she like or not, or too spicy for her or not. What do you think?
So yummy. She's my favorite dish.
Wow. It looks like a real Khao Soi noodle.
Of course.
Yeah. But this is is this pasta?
This is better than the original one.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Mom eat at the first time, how she feel? Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
Was muss ich sagen?
Nur, nein.
Wie heisst jetzt das?
Khao Soi.
Okay. See Khao Soi too.
Very good.
Good.
Nicht scharf? Nicht scharf?
Nein, nicht scharf.
Ah. Okay. Mir? Wie viel das?
Es müsste schärfer sein.
Ja, Samen mit Sauce, glaube ich.
Danke.
Kannst du schon ein bisschen Was?
Nein, ich kann mir
Gut.
How about Belly?
Amazing.
Kannst du Thai sprechen?
วันนี้กินข้าวซอยเผ็ด
อร่อยไหม
ๆอร่อยมาก
Fleisch. Guten Appetit.
Guten Appetit. Agota.
Guten.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, please subscribe to support us in making more video for you.